Hey guys, today we're going to take that four-wheeler and kind of tune on a little bit. The carb wasn't quite right. I'm going to show you guys how to tune a Mikuni carburetor. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this seat off and get it out of the way. Back here's fine. Now, we're going to have to get to the top of this carburetor, but first I'm going to yank this spark plug out and see what it looks like. Alright, what I got here is the tip of this spark plug's kind of gray. I haven't ran it very long. Probably better to run it longer and see what it's actually doing. But it's definitely not rich. So I'm guessing that's a lean condition. Pull the tank off and get her out of her way. We're going to take the least amount off here as possible to do what I'm hoping is that the adjustment of this needle will help us. Now this is actually on a pretty lean setting here. So I'm going to go ahead and move it 2 notches down. That's actually where these are supposed to be anyways. And you want to be very careful not to lose that. You're going to push it against something flat. Hopefully that's the only adjustment we need to make. I actually read online and the stock location is 4 slots down from the top. It was 2 slots down from the top, so we moved it actually back to the stock location. So hopefully someone just had that wrong. Alright, now we got it all back in there. Just throw it back in the carb, see what it does. I have an 85 in there. I'm going to try to step it up. Step it up to a 90 maybe. Like the 105, a little bit closer. Better, but it still wasn't quite there. So we're going to go ahead and go up again on it. That is a 105. We're going to go ahead and go up again and see if it likes that. It still wasn't quite fully there. Plus we're at a richest setting on our needle. like to be able to go back away from that. I don't know if I should go to a 110 or a 115. Kind of just want to step up to the 115 and see if it's too much. You can step it up to the 110, see what that does. And I have drill bits. If the 110 is not enough, we can step it up like that. Alright, I think my last ride went pretty good. It was actually running alright. I think it's actually running just a tad bit rich now, and that's exactly what I wanted. So we're going to go ahead and adjust the needle and see what that does. Now I want to show you guys something. You can actually hear the way this is running. Wait a sec. Put it here. Here, I was doing that. I'm just barely touching the gas. It goes away once I hit the gas, but that's usually a sign of the needle being off. But you pull that spring up out of there, and then you got your cable, slides out the bottom. See that?
Yeah.
And then I gotta pull the spring back pretty far. This one's kind of different. The other one's usually easier. And you pull it back through that slot like that, and just pull it out of that hole. Basically, you have this little clip inside of here. Set little thing that shapes like that. Yeah. That's got to come out of there. So I hold it down like this and push that down. That way I know the clip can't spring out and go nowhere. You know what I mean? Now it's sitting there. Now I take this your needle. It's got all the different notches in there. I got it in the very bottom one. It's running a little too rich, so I need to bring it up, and that'll lean it out. I'm going to bring it up to the center one. I was actually pretty happy with it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It seems like it could have a tiny bit more power, and it's doing that thing right at the bottom end, just going like sputtering, like it's just rich. I'm going to starve it a little bit. It actually, what it controls is where your main jet comes in. I'll cut my finger. Now, stick that back in the carb and make sure it's clocked the right way. It's got like little slots that catches it. She slides down, screw the top on. Now, I like that. It dies if you look still. If you straight floor, you gotta ease into it. There. Hear it when it die though. I think that's just air filter.
Yeah, it probably is.
I got it pretty close. Alright, I got the wool filter out here. I got this other one online. It said that it would work for this. It looks the same. Look at all that dirt in there. Definitely need it changed. There's the dirt inside that thing. I changed my oil in this and I just dumped a little gas in the engine to rinse all the old nasty stuff out of there. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. The next episode, we're going to go ahead and get back to working on the Jeep and start getting some stuff done on it. We'll come back to the four-wheeler later on, do some more stuff to it. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day.